They incorporated a lot of bends into this part. This entire part is made out of two pieces. You have the entire sheet metal part and then the heavy welding lug on here. We've incorporated it with a seam up the side, so when it can be formed up, it all seams up and looks like a continuous piece. So in essence, this is an example of sheet metal origami. Hello, I'm Kurt Tolley with CR Metal Products, and we are a custom steel fabricator. People will come to us and say, this is my problem, and we'll look at it and say, well, if you can design this part out of sheet metal, we'll manufacture it and have it more cost effective than a machine part would be. We can take your idea and where you might have a weld, we might design a bend into that kind of thing. We'll add different aspects of what our capabilities are to make it more manufacturable for you with our processes. Laser cutting, CNC turret punching, bending, robotic welding, powder coating, and silk screening. Made in the USA. The materials that we work in are cold roll steel, hot rolled pickle and oil, galvanized, galvanneal, stainless, aluminum, e-galv. We do some copper products, and then all of those products, obviously, if need be, can be powder coated as well. The envelope's pretty large. We can do small parts as 1 inch square out of 22 gauge material. We'll go as thick as 5/8 of an inch thick, and then parts up to several hundred pounds. This product is an enclosure. It's a gun box for security. It's got the index for your thumbprint that opens the door. We assisted them in designing this product to make it more manufacturable. It was taking them about a half hour to assemble it, and we got it down to about 12 minutes for assembly, just in the components that we added to it, adding certain bends and certain aspects of it that allows them to manufacture it quicker and assemble it quicker on their end. So we did all the fabrication on here, the laser cutting, all the bending, all the powder coating, and then the silk screening of their logo as well. Consultation is free, our suggestions are free. All of that stuff is just a bonus of working with CR. And when it came down to it, they have a more profitable product that they're selling because of the cost savings that they have in their facility. So when customers supply us with an artwork file, we'll take the artwork file, burn the negative for the silk screen, we'll produce our own silk screens, and then we'll apply the artwork to the part. So we can go with single color, we can do multi-pass. Basically every pass is another pass through the oven. So we would take this part, we would do the black, then we do the white, and then we do the red. It's very durable, and there's very, very minimal opportunity for the part to have blemishes such as bubbles or it being out of square. One of the things at CR that we do is hardware installation. We'll take a sheet metal part, we'll add PEM nuts or PEM studs that allows the component not to be tapped or drilled, and don't have to add any welding to the part. It's very efficient. We have 7 pieces of equipment that can do the installation, quite a bit of horsepower, and this is very synonymous with electronic assembly. We're ISO certified. We've been in business for 70 years, and we cover basically every industry out there, from aerospace down to industrial products. The process that we run in our facility is called QRM, or Quick Response Manufacturing. It is a lean type program that we run. What it allows us to do is that it doesn't have any whip time or white time. We don't have a big bank of our 7 lasers sitting there just cutting parts. We have it more cellular manufacturing. Typical orders for us are anywhere from 25 to 500 at a time. We definitely go under that. We definitely go way over that. Generally, we are looking for production runs that happen, monthly or bi-monthly, that we can produce the part, have all of our programs saved, that we're just cranking out parts when our customers need them. At CR Metal Products, we want to get involved as early as possible. We'll assist you in suggestions for reducing your price, reducing your lead time, and allowing that to go through our shop as quickly as possible. Give us a call at CR Metal Products in St. Louis, Missouri, and we'll be happy to help.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.